Girl has a new hair.
Yes.
Girl has my new hair. Let's stop it.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Hi.
ma'am.
Good morning, children. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
I'm little under the weather today.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what will be coming on exam? You didn't told.
Good question. What will be coming in the exam? Wow, you're asking me that question today. That's so good. Mariam Kazi, Yusuf, Umar,
Ma'am,
please
in
start your
previous
videos.
I'm sick. That's why I could not join the session.
Oh, you did not see the recording, my dear?
No, I was sick.
Why? Oh.
Good morning.
Hi, Sidra. Good morning.
I didn't hear any music because I was
Lock कर दे
disconnected.
वो दबा के इधर आओ.
Humaira, there's a lot of disturbance coming from your home.
Yes, ma'am.
And Umar and Sidra, please start your videos. Hello, Yusuf. I'm a little bit under the.
Morning, ma'am. I was moving my head and I got hurt so badly.
Oh, you know, I have got a terrible cold. It's like nose and throat and ear. Three things are affected. You know, this, and this. And it's not very good today, you know. Hi, Sidra.
Good morning, ma'am.
How is Omar?
Good.
Give my regards to Omar, okay? Please. He was in my class last week. I was a substitute teacher for their class. Yeah.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am, there are 2 English exams.
Nah,
Good
beta,
morning,
there's
ma'am.
only one English exam, and I have already posted it on the Google. It's a written exam, children, okay?
Good morning, ma'am.
Easy peasy written exam, okay? Like last time only, huh?
Very hard.
You are taking the exam from three topics: Tricks and Truth, Fantastic Journey, and what is called Fantastic Animals. I'm feeling difficult about that.
You're finding it difficult. Why? Why are you finding it difficult, my darling? What happened? Huh? What happened? How come you're feeling difficult?
I'm like we are taking 3 subjects, so there are so many questions. 3
What? 3 subjects? So easy, 3 lessons. Huh? It not even take you half a day to do everything. So easy. Amazing Animals is such an easy lesson, sweetie. Such an easy lesson. And it's such an informative lesson. Hmm?
Paper report.
What happened? Amazing Animals. Fantastic Journeys. All right. And Tricks and Truth. Tricks and Truth, though we have done. You are my Li Hua in the cafe, right? Sidra? How many of you are finding 3 lessons too much?
Understood.
How many of you are finding 3 lessons too much to study? What do you have to study? You have to study the comprehension answers, okay? And you have to do the grammar. Tricks and truth mein you have to write a play script. Okay. In fantastic journeys, you have to write your fantasy story. Write short. Okay, one page. And amazing animals, you have to write a newspaper report. Can't you all do that? We already did it. See, why do we have comprehension answers? Do you understand why we have comprehension answers? Let's discuss this. Come on. Do you know why do we have comprehension answers in a lesson? Okay, Sidra, can you tell me?
Ma'am, why the grammar? Why is the grammar?
I'm coming to that bit now. 1 minute. Sidra, yes?
Practice.
Can't hear what you're saying.
To practice.
Okay, to practice. All right. But do you know what is the meaning of comprehension? What is the meaning of comprehension?
Like that from the any topic question and answer.
No, I'm asking the meaning of comprehension. I'm using this word a lot of times. Comprehension answers. What is this comprehension that ma'am is talking about? Yusuf, yes?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, hi Mohammed Ali, good morning. How are you, beta?
Fine, alhamdulillah, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay.
comprehension's answers are with non
That simple word, no, comprehend. What does it mean to comprehend?
That the hint.
what's that word again?
The hint. Like we give hint.
Yeah. What answers I'm getting? Comprehension answers. We don't know what is happening in this class. We are just looking at the lessons and just writing whatever we want and we are going. Is this what we are doing in the class? Sorry for my stupid accent. Okay, so what I was saying, what is comprehension? Comprehension is how much you understand. Okay, in simple words, it means how much you have understood. So it's like you read a lesson, like for example, Amazing Animals. Okay, we have read this lesson. In Amazing Animals, we have about dolphins. Okay, and we have about monkeys. That is orangutans and
Orangutan and tiger.
very good, Umema. Orangutans and tigers. So now we have already read the lesson. Yes, Umema, tell me.
In that animal life, there are only three animals.
Yeah, so what is Sidra finding so hard about those animals?
It is a little complicated.
What is complicated, sweetie? Again, can you tell me, Umema?
Yes, ma'am. I don't know why, but the Yeti chapter is very hard.
The Yeti chapter is very hard. Okay, so let us delve into the Yeti chapter. What is it that we are finding about the Yeti? Very difficult. One question that is definitely going to come in the exam, I'm telling you. How were the eyes? What simile does the author use to describe the Yeti's eyes? Who knows the answer? Quickly.
That is what is hard.
What, the simile is hard? Do you know what is a simile?
It is easy. Yes. You have to like the gold is as shiny as a diamond. Is that simile?
Umema, I'm sorry, I did not get you. Can you please repeat? Sorry about
Ma'am,
that.
ma'am,
The
like
gold is as shiny as a diamond. Is that a simile?
As shiny as a diamond. Do you understand the rule that we use for simile when we're doing similes? Do you know?
As or like.
Exactly. So what is it? A simile or a metaphor? What is it?
A simile.
Exactly. You have answered your question, Umema, by yourself.
metaphor going to come?
Yes. Whatever
I know
is
the
there
meaning of
in
metaphor
lesson number
outside.
4, lesson number 5, okay, and lesson number 3. 3, 4, 5. Remember, 3, 4, 5 are the lessons that are going to come. So all the comprehension answers, all right, all the grammar that is there, and all the guided writing that we have, right? Like for example, newspaper report, we have to write a story, and we have to write a one small play script. We have to write a conversation between Joe and his teacher. Imagine children in your mind and write the play script. Okay? Yes, Umaima. Siddha, you are raising your hand. I'm so sorry.
What is metaphor?
You don't know what is metaphor.
Yes,
Anybody
ma'am.
knows what is metaphor?
Like how to make a sentence. I was like confused. Like how can I do with a life with a roller coaster one?
Okay, okay. So we need to remember in a metaphor. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll do about metaphor. Okay. Anybody knows here what is metaphor? Then we can explain it to Sidra, and then I'll also explain. Muhammad Ali, Mariam Kazi, Umema, can you explain to Sidra what is metaphor? ये metaphor क्या है?
It's like a direct comparison.
Okay. I did not get your one second. Huh? Yeah, just 1 minute, children.
Ma'am, you are mute. Ma'am, you are muted.
Guys, I have been explaining about metaphors all this long, and nobody has even told me. I was talking all this while.
I told you the answer.
Yeah, I know you told me, but it was so funny. I was talking to myself over here. I find that so funny, when I do that.
Thinking something is wrong. I didn't find out it's your mic is off.
Yeah, it's silly me, huh?
My mic was off.
How silly I am. Oh, God.
Silly Billy.
Arey, Manha, hello.
Hello.
Are you in the woods now?
What?
Are you in the woods?
Seawoods.
Are you in the sea woods?
Yes.
I remember from the city you came in the sea woods, right? How is the experience in the sea woods? Are they actually wood over there or it is just simply name only?
Just simply name only. I saw it. But I didn't see it actually.
I remember when I was.
It is a normal only. It's not there only woods.
Then why name it sea woods?
Shop will be, ma'am. The shop will be very close.
The woods of the seas.
Okay, you know, there was one building
woods of
over
the
here
sea.
in Goa. Okay. The name of the building was Hill Rock Apartments. Okay. Hill Rock Apartments. And my auntie had got a new flat and she had invited us over. And it was so funny, you know, because where she was staying, there was a hill. Okay. But it was like very far. Okay. Like maybe you can say like 5-10 minutes from our house. And we happened to go near the hill because we thought like maybe, you know, her apartment is somewhere near the hill. And we're asking, does anybody know Hill Rock apartment? And nobody knew about it. And then finally, it was like in the market area, you know that. We asked this randomly, ये Hill Rock apartment किधर है? अरे इधर ही है, उसके बाजू में है. And then we went, it was in the middle of the market. And then I asked my auntie, I said, what was this builder thinking when he named it Hill Rock apartment? There is no rock only. That's why Manha, when you said sea woods, na, I asked you, is there really woods over there? कभी कुछ भी नाम डालते हैं, you know, बकवास नाम
Woods
डालते
of the
हैं.
sea.
It is there on seawoods. It's too much far. It's not near. It's just too much far.
No, maybe where Manha is staying, there are actually woods. I'm not saying, I have not seen, but I'm telling about my auntie's house. So funny. There was no rock only over there.
Which sector Manha lives?
50.
Okay.
ठीक है. So now let us answer Sidra's question. What is metaphor and what is simile? We need to remember, children, that simile, when you're using anything as a simile, it uses words like as or like. Okay. But when it is a metaphor, we need to remember that it is describing something as if it is actually something else. Okay. So when it's a metaphor, it will say, they'll use the word is. Okay. Or like, for example, are. These words they will use. Okay. So when something is describing something as it is actually something else, that is the time it is a metaphor. Like, for example, you are, listen to the sentence, okay? You are the sunshine of my life. Like now, suppose I say this to Sidra. You are the sunshine of my life.
Metaphor.
It is a metaphor. Why? Because
Actually, the actually not a sunshine. Like the sun doesn't shine.
yeah. So what does
it's
it
a
mean? No.
metaphor.
What does it mean when I say that Sidra is my sunshine, or she is the sunshine of my life?
That
she's a
means
sun and she is very shiny.
Okay,
No,
she
no.
is very sunshine.
You-
She is very shiny.
you-
Umema, she is very
You-
shiny. No,
You
she's
love
not a
the-
star.
She's a sun and she's a
Let us
Metaphor,
ask
it's a
Sidra
metaphor.
only. She's wearing a
It's
rainbow
a
now.
metaphor.
Let us ask her only. What does it mean when I'm saying, you are the sunshine of my life? What do I mean by this?
Metaphor.
How, Umar, we know it is a metaphor. It's definitely not that Sidra is very shiny. It has to have meaning. Sidra, what does sunshine give us?
They give us brightness.
Yes, they give us brightness, they give us light, right?
Yes.
So when I'm referring to you as you are the sunshine of my life, it means that you are like that sunshine. You give me light. You understand?
Ma'am, how ma'am electricity gives light?
Electricity gives light better, no doubt. But I'm talking about metaphor. No electricity over here, please. And no shiny also. Okay? Mema? Sidra is not shiny. I'm so sorry. It's okay. You know, we are all learning. It's good to have a little fun also, right? Sidra, did you understand what is metaphor? Don't get confused, okay, between simile and metaphor. When you are using simile, it uses as or like. Okay. Like, for example, she is like the sun. Okay, she is like the sun, or she is as the sun. So if it is as or like, it is a, what is it? Metaphor or simile?
Metaphor.
As or like.
Simile.
Yeah. So see, when you're going to do the exam, okay, if it comes as or like, what we are going to put? What is it?
Simile. Simile, ma'am.
Simile. Okay. But, we need to remember, if it is describing something as if it is actually something else. Like, for example, we saw, na, what? Like the other one, no, life is a roller coaster. You remember that one? Life is a roller coaster.
Yeah.
So we are describing life as a roller coaster. How is a roller coaster? Tell me.
Scary. It goes up till down.
Exactly. Very good. It goes up and down. Up and down.
Up is when we are happy and down is when we are a little sad.
Now how you said it, Umema?
You see that side. Ma'am, in roller coaster, when it goes slow, when we go down, it goes fast.
Yeah. So, have I this the confusion about the metaphors and the similes?
Yeah.
Anybody has a doubt? Mariam Khan, somebody said yeah. I hope everything is okay. Yes. All right. Any other doubt I have to clear?
Ma'am, in a metaphoric also, if like, if like and as come in every describing sentence.
No, if the sentence has a like and as, remember it is a simile. Please don't put it as a metaphor. But if it says that, like for example, if a sentence is in the assessment, this is this, then it's a metaphor. That thing you are describing as something else. Got it?
Is bright.
Sorry?
Ma'am, if is comes, then it's a metaphor.
Ha.
If like.
Or don't concentrate only on the is. If something has been described as something, okay, if something has been described, like life is a roller coaster. Now life is compared to what? Roller coaster. Okay. But if it is saying like life is like a roller coaster. Life is like a roller coaster. What is it?
Simile.
Why is it a simile, children? Why?
Like. Because it describes like.
Yeah. So there's a like. Whenever there is a like. Huh.
It's like similar.
Yeah. Sidra, are you sleeping in my class?
Ma'am, I'm not sleeping, I'm what is it called?
Thinking,
No, I'm
meditating.
worried because I'm very busy, right? From 2 to 3.
You're worried. You're worried about what, my dear? You're only in 4th grade. You shouldn't be worried about anything.
Because I'm really busy, like from 2 to 3 p.m.
Why are you such a busy bee? I want to know. What are you doing?
I think for the exam.
Mohammed Ali, I can't believe she's taking it so seriously, the English exam. Anyway, good for you.
Me too.
I have a class at 2 to 3
Why are
p.m.
you making English exam such a big thing? We have already done it and it is so easy. Huh?
Not only English exams, all the exams.
Okay, I understand. Please don't take stress about my exam, okay? It is very easy. You all are just going to rock it. I know it. Umar, please start your video. I can't see you.
I forgot.
You forgot. How could you forget? Huh? There you are.
Yoshiko ma'am,
Yes, Manha, tell me beta, what happened?
as you will give us marks on assignments also.
Yes.
Ma'am, some people are missing.
And you know what, children? The way you answer in class, that also has marks. If you are asking any doubt, that also has marks. Oh, Sidra, that was a relief. Thank you so much.
Ma'am,
Yes. Manha, tell me.
if there is as or like,
Mm-hmm.
it will be simile, na?
Anybody would like to help our friend Manha over here? Help her. What is she asking?
Ma'am, I didn't hear.
What did you say?
If it is as or like in some sentences, so it is simile or not?
Simile.
It is.
Very good. It is a simile. Okay. See, children, we need to help one another in this way. Okay. नहीं तो हमारा नहीं होगा. And Humaira, coming to you. Have you understood the syllabus? I have already put it in the Google Classroom, but have you understood what are we doing?
No.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, beta, Manha, I'm not asking you, sweetie, and Umar, 1 minute. Yeah.
Ma'am, I'm coming.
Ma'am, I didn't understood
I
this.
need to wear socks. It's very cold.
Okay, no problem. You can wear a jacket also and come if you like.
Ma'am, the cinemas, how the cinemas will be coming on the exams?
Humaira, what did you say?
The cinemas.
Yes, the simile will come.
Simile. I think I have been explaining so long now. What have I been explaining to everybody?
No, I
What is simile?
You know, I have heard this saying that मैंने पूरी कहानी बताई है, ठीक है? जैसे सोचो everybody knows Adam और Hawa. Everybody knows Adam और Hawa की कहानी. Everybody knows story.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. तो अभी मैंने पूरी स्टोरी बताई, आदम और हवा सबके बारे में बताया, और अभी मेरे को हुमैरा पूछ रही आदम कौन था? है?
नहीं, मैं वो नहीं पूछ रही हूँ मैम.
तो फिर क्या पूछ रही बेटा? बोल मेरे को.
मैम, एग्जाम का पेपर कैसा रहेगा पूछी सिर्फ उसका.
अच्छा, ऐसे पूछ रहे हो आप. मैंने ये भी बात बताई है क्लास में. कोई हेल्प करेगा हुमैरा को? मैं पहले से ही बोल रही थी ना, कॉम्प्रिहेंशन ग्रामर ऐसे कुछ बोल रही थी ना मैं. Wasn't I?
कॉम्प्रिहेंशन ग्रामर और क्वेश्चन आंसर्स भी आएंगे बहुत सारे.
Sidra, can you help Humaira, please? Can you please answer her questions?
What is the question?
She's asking, what is the question? What is the question? What is Humaira asking?
I'm asking the Pongbo and Leling chapter question answers also be come on exam.
Yes.
How many I told? You remember my hand?
Bamboo, ma'am.
3, 4, 5. Unit number 3, unit number 4, and unit number 5. I know, Sidra, it's not a Hindi
3,
language
4,
class,
5.
but you know, sometimes it's good to be funny in the class, right? When I speak a different language, then सबके कान ऐसे होते हैं ना, rabbit की तरह. So good to speak sometimes in a different language. Okay, so everybody, we remember this hand of mine, huh? Whenever you have this thing in your mind, okay, what is the syllabus? By the way, I have already put it in the Google Classroom. I don't know how many of you have even looked at it. Okay, because I feel everybody thinks that English is very easy, right?
Ma'am, I looked in tomorrow only. I didn't get anything.
You looked in tomorrow? How could you look into tomorrow, my dear?
No. Means yes.
I have not looked into tomorrow. I'm still confused.
Yesterday.
What is tomorrow going to be like? Umar is also confused. He's thinking, how could she say tomorrow?
Ma'am, yesterday.
Hannah Yusuf, how can she say tomorrow? So 3, 4, and 5. Humaira, did you understand? 3, 4, 5. So what is going to come for the exam? I'm repeating it for the last time. And henceforth, I'm not.
4, 5.
Yeah. So whatever comprehension answers are there, the comprehension answers are going to come. The grammar part is going to come, and the guided writing. We have 3 types of guided writing that we are going to do. You remember which one they are? A news report, a fantasy story, and a play script. You have to write a conversation that is happening between a student and a teacher. Okay? You can write any fantasy story of your own. Just be creative, put your own beautiful character over there. And the news report is going to be about the alien. Okay?
Ma'am, did
Umar?
did you see my news report assignment?
No, I didn't see, sweetie. I will check it. Very good. I was just under the weather and I'm not too good. That's why, Yes, Mariam.
You give us marks on the fantasy story.
You have to write your own fantasy story. I want you to be as creative as you can be for the lovely fantasy story. Okay?
Ma'am, can I make a book of a fantasy story?
Yes, you may. You definitely
A
may.
mini book.
Yeah. So what I was thinking was, children, so for the written exam, we will do comprehension, answers, and grammar. Okay. But these 3 guided writing, no, children, these 3 guided writing, we will do it like an assignment. Okay. We will do it like an assignment. So what we will do is, so in one class, we will do the written exam, and in the next class, we will do the report. Okay. Yes, Mohammad Ali, you were raising your hand.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, when we have to make the fantasy story?
I will tell you when. 1 second. Yes, Mohammad Ali, tell me.
Or I could do today.
Yes, you can do today, no problem.
Ma'am, it will be a written exam.
Yes, it will be a written exam.
Okay. Will it be a PowerPoint document?
Umar, are you getting into the character of the fantasy story?
Yeah.
He's actually in the character. Yes, Mohammad Ali, what you're saying?
I'm willing to
I didn't get you, Mohammad Ali. Sorry, too much disturbance. Please say again.
It will be a PowerPoint of the world.
Didn't get you.
It will be a PowerPoint or it will be a Word.
Which one will be better? PowerPoint, I think, will be look more cool, right?
Ma'am, you know how to make a PowerPoint?
You know how to make?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So what we'll do is then, okay. Yeah. Today I'll post it in the Google Classroom. These 3 assignments. Okay. That is guided writing ka assignment. One is a fantasy story of your choice. The second one is a news report.
Assignment that was the assessment.
Yes.
Assessment. Don't write.
Yes. One and the same thing. It's for coming for the assessment only. Okay. And the third one is the play script. So these 3 things, all 3 will look good in a PowerPoint presentation. Yes. I was thinking you all should write, but no, Mama Dali is right. Now everything happens on the computer, right? So yeah, the PPT will be better. Yes, Sidra.
No PPT.
I made a new PPT. Show it.
PPT is good.
Yeah, it's good. It looks more, creative, and like you can add some different pictures here and there.
We can put borders
Yes.
and stuff, and it will look more better.
You can add designs.
Yeah.
PPT.
Okay. And Sidra, what were you saying?
Ma'am, I made a newspaper report.
Newspaper
And
Can you come again, please?
Ma'am,
I'm done with the news report. I'm done with the news report.
Come again, Sidra. What are you saying? Newspaper report you're writing now.
No, ma'am, I have done it.
Okay. Okay. So everybody has understood these 3 assignments I'm putting today in the Google Classroom. Kindly finish it by Monday. I think should be enough, right? 1 day each assignment. Hannah?
Can we do it also on Saturday, Sunday?
in a due, ma'am.
I will put it by Monday. It should be ready.
Okay. Free.
Very good. Excellent. And how will you send me the presentation?
The ma'am in Google Class.
Ma'am, I don't have a PowerPoint. Ma'am, I don't have a PowerPoint, so I'm gonna do it in my dad's laptop.
Okay. Actually, I'm not very tech savvy, so I'm a little confused now. Okay. Sorry about this. So now everybody's going to, how are you all going to send me that assignment?
Yeah.
Just need to save it.
Classroom
Wait, let Umema answer this question. Umema, yes, how are you going to send it to us?
on Google Classroom.
And then I will be able to open it and see it, right?
Yes, ma'am. But there's an app which you can open it.
Yeah, so what is that app which I have to have in my phone? I need to write it down.
No,
Wait.
it's okay. If you just click it, it will open.
Yeah, but Mamadali, what is the name of the app? Just to be sure.
There's no app.
Let
There's
me check.
only you have to have Google Classroom.
So if I just have the Google Classroom, then it will work, right?
Yeah, and if you will, just put Google Drive. Do you have Google Drive?
Yes, I have Google Drive on my phone.
Then it will.
Okay. Yeah, I'm not very tech savvy, I get confused. That's why I need to know exactly where is what.
Like a yellow app or something.
Sorry, what is it? Can you
Google
repeat
only you
it?
can find it in Google Apps.
Now, beta, can you say again? I didn't get it. You were too quick.
He said Google Apps.
Google Apps, okay. In Google Apps, what is it? In Google Apps, what is the name of that?
Wait, ma'am. Chrome is loading, ma'am.
This is interesting. My children are teaching me something. This is so cool.
This is the opposite. This is the opposite.
No, wait. I
5 minutes.
okay. Children, if you want to leave, you can leave. I'm just taking down the app and I am, getting ready for seeing your assignment. Okay, so if you all want to leave because it's time up, it was an amazing class, children. Thank you. I love you all and bye and all the best for your assessment. See you on Friday again.
Bye.
Only Muhammad Ali, please wait until you show me. Others, you also may go.
Ma'am,
Yes, Manha.
my laptop is little old, so how can I send you the Google Classroom?
Yeah, however you can is easy. You can send. Okay. But the main thing is I should be able to see it.
But how? How should I?
Can you do it in Word? Word document, can you do?
What is it?
What is Word document? Word document, right? You have something known as Word document.
Oh, 1 minute.
Amadali, is everything okay, beta?
Ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I have to go to Google Apps, right?
Yes, ma'am. You have to go in the 9 dots or something.
9 dots, okay. And over there, I'll get the app, right? It's okay, Muhammad Ali. You have to go for your next class. It's okay. I'll somehow find out my way. But thank you so much for your effort. Okay. And please prepare your what you call assessments. I will send it in the Google Classroom right now. And Humaira, all the best also to you, Manha. Enjoy your seafoods and bye Sidra and bye Mohammed. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.